Hi, my name is Harish. I'm the Information Security Manager for Hinduja Global Solutions. Today I attended this training with Amar Singh on cyber incident response planning and response. This was a very insightful experience for me to learn more about how to handle a cybersecurity incident and how to respond to it and be breach ready. So that's what is my takeaway from this training. I strongly encourage you guys to take part in this training and see how you are, where you are in terms of your breach readiness for your organization. Thank you.